Uh, Good evening, everybody, and thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My topic is saving the youth from drugs. Actually, the drug menace has become a burning problem today. According to the newspaper reports, the number of drug addicts in our country is increasing day by day. So it is reported the drug addicts are it is reported the most of the drug addicts are young persons. So this is a very sad state of affairs. The young age is an age of curiosity and inquisitiveness. At this age, at this age, the youth moves out of the shelter of their parents and home seeking new friends. Once a person gets into a drug habit, it is not an easy task for get out of it. So after taking drugs, anyone becomes insane abruptly. He does not know where he is and what he is doing. The addicted son cannot identify even his own father and mother. So they compelled to commit various crimes. They think only the temporary satisfaction and never think of its bad effects. Saving the youth from drugs is a done duty of everybody. Because of our future of our country entirely depends on them. And